This video will show you how students can join a Nearpod lesson. Students can join a lesson from any device with an internet connection. You can join from a browser, or if you are using an iPhone or a tablet, you can download the Nearpod app. When a teacher launches a lesson, a 5-letter code will appear. Teachers can also share the lesson with their students by email, with a link, or through an LMS like Google Classroom. To join the lesson, students go to nearpod.com/student. There, they will see a box where they can enter the code provided by their teacher. After they join the lesson, students will be prompted to enter their name. We recommend that students use their first name and the first letter of their last name. Then, students simply click Join Session. In a live lesson, the teacher will now be able to advance the students to the next slide. Students can take notes during the lesson using the Nearpod Notes feature. If your teacher has this feature turned on, simply click in the upper right corner to begin your notes. These notes can be sent to you by email or saved to your Google or OneDrive. Once you decide how you will receive your notes, you can type them in the box on the right. Throughout the lesson, students will be asked to complete activities. In a live lesson, their teacher can see their responses in real time. Students can also use our immersive reader integration to have text read aloud to them, to translate text, and more. Simply click on the immersive reader logo to use this feature if your teacher has it turned on. Teachers can also assign lessons in student-paced mode. Students join in the same way, but now they are able to move through the lesson at their own pace.